Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a stylus pen or a smart pen for your smartphone. But before that, make sure to like, share and subscribe. It is very easy. So for this you're gonna need a pen, some earbuds, foil paper, some tape and scissors. So the first step is take the pen and then cut end of one earbud, then attach the earbud to the tip of the pen with some tape. And the second step is take the foil paper and wrap around the earbud and the pen. Make sure that the foil paper is touching the cotton of the earbud, otherwise your stylus won't gonna work. And after that, take some tape and put it on the end of the foil paper and the pen so it does not move. And now your stylus is almost ready, but it will still not work. So for it to work, take a drop of water and slightly wet the cotton or the tip of the stylus, and now it should work. So what is happening here is that the electricity of your body is traveling through the foil paper to the earbud, and now that is slightly wet, it will gonna conduct electricity, and this is how this stylus pen works. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong,